welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey guys, we're going to jump right into this video. If you want to see how I make my flaxseed detangling pre-poo or detangling in the shower gel, then just watch the video down in the description box. This helps me with shedding. It also helps me detangle my hair. It helps me with split ends and breakage, you guys. Like I said before, it helps with shed hair because I have so many good ingredients in this flaxseed gel. So if you're interested in how I make this, then watch the video down in the description box. So you guys, what I'm going to be doing with my hair is pre-pooing this time. I've actually done a couple of videos on how I pre-poo, but I've decided to switch it up now that I am experiencing a lot of shedding. I do want to focus more on ingredients that helps with shedding and just not conditioners or like mane and tail. I need ingredients that's actually going to penetrate my hair shaft and also help with my shedding problem. So you guys, I'm going to show you how I use this flaxseed detangling gel a couple of different ways, but this is one of the first ways that I like to use it is as a pre-poo. My hair is just rinsed out. I rinsed out the products that I had in my hair from my previous wash day. As you guys can see, my hair is in sections. I don't section my hair all the time, especially if I don't have time, but obviously in this video I had time. So my hair is actually just rinsed out. I rinsed my hair out with warm water and then I applied my flaxseed gel to my hair to help me detangle. Like I said before, it also helps with shed hairs. And you guys, I've been doing this routine now for the past 3 months and my hair has stopped shedding significantly. Like, I am not kidding you guys. Like, my hair is getting thicker. My hair feels soft. Is no longer shedding. Even though I am still trying to recover from the thin hair, I don't know how long it's going to actually take for me to fully get my thickness back, but I am pretty sure it's going to take over a year for me to get my hair thick, like the length of my hair thick again. So I am just really playing this whole post-COVID shedding thing by ear. And then that's why I'm really just coming to you guys with every video that I can think of, every little thing that I'm doing to my hair. That's why I'm coming to you guys to just show you guys what my steps and my progress or process has been so that if anybody has any questions, it's like, hey, I can reference my videos and then also have a couple of notes and stuff for myself and see is you can always tell when you're making videos. I know a lot of you guys probably aren't content creators, but you can always tell if you record your hair or if you take a lot of pictures. So a tip for you guys that are going through this shedding or hair damage, take pictures and your pictures won't lie to you. So yeah, you guys, I'm not going to ramble through this video a lot. Just want to show you that I do use this flaxseed gel as a detangler, a pre-poo. I let it sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I go to the shower and then follow up with my full wash day routine. You guys, I have plenty of videos on my full wash day routine. So just check any of those videos out. But I am just going to let you guys watch me fully detangle my hair, and then at the end I will show you how much hair I've lost in this detangling this little detangling pre-poo session, or I guess you can say it's a session. Yeah, but I just want to show you guys how much hair I lose now. Before, when I first started experiencing COVID hair loss, it was so much more. So yeah, you guys, if you follow my videos, you're gonna get real results here. You're gonna get real value. You're gonna get good value. So yeah, let me know if you try any of my videos and it helped you out. Just leave comments down below. And I really appreciate you guys subscribing and liking and commenting. So yeah, guys, just enjoy the rest of the video.